Yo, so, Joe, what do you want to do, bro? Let's see what we can do around here. Whoa! Oh, what the hell? Where are we? What the hell? Yeah, top of egg, Gio, what did you do? Wait, that was me, though. Nah, must be dumb. Let's go. Can I get in, sir? What do we gotta do? Oh, I'm in. Just gotta run.
Oh, what is this place?
I think I've heard of this place on the internet. It's called the Backrooms. Come on. Let me see. Let me look for some button to open that. Oh, here's our way out. Ah! Oh my God! Come in here. Sure gives me the creeps, bro. Oh my God.
Holy shit.
Dude, who smacked?
Where the hell are we?
Dude, I'm not even.
Deku, where are you?
I'm not even joking. I just shit in my pants right now. IDK.
Alright, let's go.
What the fuck was that? Did you not hear that laughing? That's what I heard. I'm not even joking.
Yo, why is there a piss stain right here? That's it.
Come on, just keep looking.
Yeah, let's look. Hey, Deku, look.
Dude, you're pixelated.
Oh, like click on me and then press avatar display.
Oh.
And then it should be eyes. You see me now?
Yeah, oh my God. Fuck you. Let's keep going. Let's just hope we don't see anything scary.
Yeah, let's just go.
Let's just hope we don't see anything scary. At least. We're on our way to happy. Ways has good company. Head on moment. We'll hold some. I'm scared.
You want me to
If I see something, yeah, turn on your chainsaws. I don't.
No, not yet, bro. I can't just use.
What the hell was that?
That's not fair. Let's go to that. Come on.
You're not gonna. We're not gonna talk about what the hell is that.
We're not talking about that.
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. Should I touch it?
What is
Some pixelated all shit.
Alright, let's go see what that is
Yeah.
over there.
If we get killed, it's your fault. Low shit.
I can't die. Remember that.
Whatever you say, home. Oh, there's a camera. We was geeking out over some dumbass camera. Dude,
Alright.
look.
Deku. Bro, that's the door we into. Remember?
Oh, okay.
You're being so damn paranoid.
We gotta be paranoid.
You don't need to be paranoid all the damn time.
Okay. I'm still geeking out over that camera.
Bro,
Look at that. That crack. Should we go through? Let's go together. Let's go together.
Go through. Alright, let's go.
Come on.
It's just a tiny room.
Okay, come on. Let's keep going.
No, that's shit. That shit.
Dude, I saw this in the video. You should never be scared of this shit.
I saw this hallway, bro. I swear.
It doesn't matter, bro. Let's just keep going. Another pixelated square. Let's just try to find a way out of here. Still geeking out over that camera.
Let's go over there. Let's go over there.
Bling, bling. Yeah, we cooking. The fuck? Yeah, bro. Sounds like some pipe bullshit. Let's go down here. Come on, let's go.
Crap.
Dude.
What?
Hello, Tuki Tuki. We need to watch out. Let's go here. Here. Stop!
I remember this.
Let's go.
not seeing
Yeah.
anything.
Let's just break through that window right there. Yeah, there's nothing.
Sure.
I'm sure. We haven't encountered anything. I'm gonna pray we don't see none.
What do you mean you pray?
Look at my thumb. What the hell's wrong with my thumb?
I'm not sure. You want me to cut it off?
No!
Howard.
You piece of shit.
Try me, bitch.
Puh. Just punch you in the face. Puh.
Oh.
Puh. Puh. Stay back. One for all. One for all. Spring. Ping. Ping.
What the hell?
Ping. Ping. Come on, let's just keep going, bro. Enough fooling around.
I can't just.
Dude, let's just go, bro. They're being such a pussy.
You were literally just a pussy, bro. What's that
What?
down there? Wanna go down there?
Yeah, let's go. You have to stay by my side, bro.
Let's go, come on. Yo!
What?
Did you not hear that scream?
You geeking out over one scream, bro. What could be there?
Getting a little scary.
Yeah, no shit, bro. Game. Come on, bro.
I think Eternity Devil kept me in this place.
Let's just go down here.
Obviously, no one heard that, right?
I'm hearing it.
Getting closer.
Dude, shut the fuck up, the freaking Denji Hida. Dude, you're staying behind like a pussy.
Alright, bro. I'm leading that dump there.
What? No, I want you to stay by my side. I'm stronger than you. You know this.
I'm strong.
My one for all can take you down, fool.
Want me to get Goku want me to get Goku on your ass?
Go suck some dick, bro.
That's what I want. Left or right?
I don't know. Let's keep going, bro. Boing, boing, boing. Come on, let's keep going. Let me just peek.
Wait.
Dude, I feel like we're just getting scared for nothing. Yeah? Dude, this is what I'm saying. You need to get back. So why the hell you keep on leaving, bro? This is why we can't do anything with each other, bro.
No, what do you mean you can't do anything to each other, bro?
We can't stay with each other. You're selling. Right now, we have to find our way out of here. God.
What's this? This part looks lighter than the other part.
Sketchy. Why did we go here? I didn't even know falling could just take us here. No clip to both of us. Dude, I'm not sure if we'll make it out alive. I'll punch him if he comes to us. I have my one for all ready.
And I have my
You better.
chainsaws. I can erase him in a second.
Yeah, and I can take his ass out in a second. Bling, bling, bling. Come on, let's just jump. It's better.
Yeah, but we're using more of our stamina.
No, we're not. We don't have stamina in this game. Do we?
What do you mean by game? We're not in a game. It's real
Oh,
life.
yeah, right. Ow, I just smacked my ball.
Game.
Do, 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 do. Do, do. How can I can't do that?
Yeah, because my avatar's more active.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wait, I can do it. Wait.
Let's just keep going. You know, I'm leaving you.
I'm coming for
What
you.
the fuck?
I'm coming for you.
How do you do that?
Because I have emo. I have. Look at this. Watch this. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Where are you going? Where you going? Where you going? Let's go. California.
You're so small.
Why are you so damn tall? Bring it around. Bring it around.
Watch
bring it
this.
around.
Watch this. I have something you can't do.
I don't need to do that. I can do this. I can do a crip walk. Watch this.
I can clap.
Crip walking. Let's see that. Look, I'm crip walking. Can you crip walk with me? That's just fun for you, bro. What's gonna do now? What's gonna do?
I'm gonna cheer. In fact, I'm gonna dance.
Wait, come on. Alright,
No, wait, hold on. Watch me do this backflip.
Let's go. Watch me do this.
Over your chest.
Alright, let's go. Well, I don't even know where the fuck we.
Yeah. What that was that?
Other.
Never mind. I thought I saw something. Dude, we still haven't encountered anything. Come out, bro.
Bro, it's not even that bad.
I'm right here. Huh? Doofies.
You don't know what kind of monster.
Yeah, whatever. Monsters. Monsters can't find me right now. Huh? How much can you bet he's gonna come through there in 3, 2, 1?
There's nothing there.
Okay, so let's just go straight. And we'll go here. And then 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 we'll go here.
Sure, no, we're not going.
No, we're not. At least I think.
I should have brought a flashlight.
Me too.
Makima always told me I should.
Tell
always have my
Makima she can go
flashlight
suck some.
Guess what? Little girlfriend got ran through by 15. Yeah. Get out of here. Look around. Yeah, you heard that?
You know what? You can shut up about my girlfriend.
What are you gonna do about this shit? What are you gonna do about
Fuck
this shit?
you!
You work at McDonald's, right? You work at McDonald's. Come here.
You little shitbag. One for all. How do I stop my backflip?
I told you that me and you are not the same person. Yes or no?
How do I stop? How do I stop doing emotes?
Why are you pointing? Just go into emotes and then stop it.
You can't.
You stop right there. Bro, what are you doing? Oh, really? There you. Alright. Oh, what the hell was that?
How do I get out of here?
Why are you so big? Why are you so
I don't know.
Bro, sit down. Reset your height. There we go. You're always gonna be that small little midget. That's for sure. That's a small little midget.
Bitch ass boy. Let's go, bro. I can't find anything here.
You know what? If power was here, we would be able to find the demon.
Totally. Dude, stop staying back, bro.
I'm in front of you.
What
right
the
here,
fuck?
Look. Come out.
You're a mimic.
I'm not a mimic. Why would I be a mimic? Why would I be a mimic?
Oh yeah, you like sucking my thumb, right?
Yo!
Run! Run, he's after me! Fuck you!
Fuck you too! You're this damn little bitch. I'm coming after you.
Well, guess what? You can never catch me, you little shit.
Holy shit! Yeah! Yeah!
Dude, we still haven't found anything.
We haven't even found an exit.
Still no chuki chuki or stuki tuki.
Bro, speak Spanish. We're gonna Spanish.
Hello? 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 Does anyone know the way out of here? Okay. Yeah, I think we're cooked.
Yeah, we are officially fucked. We're really effed in the air.
I'm gonna fall right away. We're gonna go to another backrooms map. Bro!